To get a quick, natural tan, apply a tanning oil or lotion with an SPF between 4 and 15. Alternatively, rub on a natural oil such as olive, coconut, or hazelnut oil. Lie down in a sunny spot and turn over often, about once every half hour. To make sure you tan evenly and don't burn, don't flip over completely. Just do a fourth turn. For instance, if you're on your back, turn onto your side. The best time to get a tan is between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., when you'll get the most sun exposure. To speed up the process even more, try using a reflector or floating on the water to intensify the sun's rays. Reapply your lotion every 2 hours while you're tanning, and slather on an aloe-based moisturizer when you're done.